Good afternoon, Great Falls. I'm Dan Clowes. On behalf of Taylor's Automax, this is a short public announcement. Following Governor Bullock's lockdown of the state last week, automotive parts, service, and maintenance facilities were declared essential. Due to this, we are maintaining a skeleton crew in our service department to handle any maintenance, service, or parts needs that you may have. Likewise, we're going to maintain a skeleton crew for our sales department for your emergency auto needs only. We are asking the public, if you want to do any shopping or you want to see what we can do 90% of the process on our online buying platform, And in just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do that from the comfort of your home. We will see customers here, but by appointment only. I hope this message finds you well. I encourage you guys all to stay home, stay healthy, stay safe, and let us know if we can help you out. Thank you very much. Here comes the tutorial.
Okay, first thing you want to do is make sure that your web browser is set to taylorsautomax.com. That'll take you right here to our landing page. If you look up into the top right, you see our numbers for sales and service. And if you have specific questions or you want to schedule immediate service, you can click on this tab. If you want to see some of the dealership testimonials, please click here. Likewise, if you have any vehicle-specific questions, feel free to type in a message here. This will go directly as a text to our team. If you don't like this, just click on that little blue X and away it goes. Obviously, we're selling our used right now, but if you'd like to look at new, just click this tab. I'm going to head back to used. You can drill down to the vehicle you're looking for by clicking any of these options, but I do find it easier just to hit the search button. This will bring up all used vehicles. On the left-hand side, if you scroll down, and let's say we're looking for a $20,000 to $10,000 SUV, you want to click on that, go on down to your body style, scroll all the way down to SUV, Sport Utility, and click both those options and hit search. This will bring you to all vehicles that fit your parameters. This next sort by category, you can sort the vehicles how you'd like. I personally like to look at a low to high. At this point, you can scroll down until you find a vehicle that you like. Let's pretend this 2013 Audi catches your attention. If you'd like to see more pictures, you simply click on the box, and it should pull up anywhere between 20 to 40 pictures of this specific vehicle. If it does look good after you review the options, you may scroll on down. Once again, let's X that out if we don't want it. We'll scroll on down and you can click on Auto Check. Auto Check will give you a vehicle history. It'll show you how many owners it's had, if it's been in any wrecks, and the condition of the lien on the vehicle. To get back out, simply click the back button. At this point, if the vehicle is everything you think you want to look at and you're curious what the cost might be, just click on Personalize My Payment. At this point, you can choose any down payment you'd like to assist and your trade value. Now, please keep in mind, with your trade value, remember if you have a loan on it or not, and make sure that you put in the total amount. So if you had a $5,000 car and you had a $4,000 owed, you'd want to put $1,000 down. Next, check out the rate you want, and then put in your basic information and click Calculate and email me my offer. That'll let us know that you're interested, as well as put a genuine payment into your inbox for you. As always, if you'd like to call or text us or even email us, we have people standing by to help you out. Thank you and happy shopping.